I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, I dreaded the word museum. In my mind, it meant stuffed dead animals, canvases with weird pictures, or carved sculptures of naked dudes. My parents, on the other hand, loved it, and the potential firestorm of brilliance it was intended to spark in my young mind. To me, it was all one big snooze fest. So just a little history. What is today's City Museum was the vision of artist Bob Cassilly. Bob and his former wife, Gail, purchased the property in 1993 when it was just an abandoned shoe warehouse. Then they started the transformative construction that was shrouded in secrecy for years until visitors were finally allowed to see the progress on New Year's Eve of 1996. It's a museum whose exhibits consist mostly of repurposed architectural and industrial objects in a way that sparks the imagination in an immersive and playful way. Ask Patrick, who hoisted his 6-foot 3-inch frame through a tiny steel cage tube to explore remnants of an old airplane dangling multiple stories off the ground. It's something else.
You can. I'm in for 230.
From the moment we approached the building, our kids were shrieking with excitement. Around every turn and up every flight of stairs was another surprise. The first floor includes a life-sized bowhead whale, tunnels, and a hollowed-out treehouse. The floor is covered with the largest continuous mosaic in the U.S. The most popular attraction and our favorite was the enchanted caves and shafts that run through the center museum to the 10th floor. The caves also include a 1924 Wurlitzer pipe organ from New York City that can be played throughout the day. The third floor has a number of attractions, but our kids were obsessed with a collection of skateboard ramps and ropes from swing to swing on. We stopped to eat at Beatnik Bob's before heading to Tylertown. Outside was the icing on the cake. As I mentioned in the beginning, we had a blast on Monstrosity, which featured 2 aircraft fuselages suspended in air, 4-foot wide slinkies to be crawled through, and a number of different slides. The most fabulous part of all? There are no maps. The goal is to get lost in this museum as well as your imagination. But guys, we appreciate you watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and we hope that you'll follow us on more of our travels.